We're here on Lake Murray in Oklahoma, and it is just beautiful. There is calm water and a few clouds in the sky, and we are just really enjoying going out kayaking. It's about an hour drive, maybe a little longer depending on where you are in the DFW area, up 35 into Oklahoma just a little bit, just a little past the casino, and it's nice. We're out here with our friend Russ, who has kayaks, has a big kayaking hobby, and we're gonna be eating lunch and maybe stopping for snacks and just going around the lake in our kayaks, taking the whole day, 4 or 5 hours going around, and it's just gonna be real nice. I think the appeal is just being out on the water and just being really close to the water, because you're just sitting down right in it, and it's really peaceful. It's just calm. Sometimes there's a few little boats rocking you around, but it's not usually too bad. And I don't know, it's just really peaceful. It just makes you think you could just spend a long time out on the water, just out away from people, and just, communing with nature, I suppose, is the term that people like to use. But I wouldn't say that's exactly how I think about it, but going back to just relaxing, just getting away from the hustle and bustle. The hustle and or bustle of your life. It's just nice, just relaxing. And these Tucktec's make it real easy. So